front of me is Infinix Hot 11, and today I would like to show you how you can use app lock on this smartphone. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down, select security over here, tap on app lock. So sorry, misclick. Let's try again, app lock, and then you need to draw pattern for your apps. I will go with maybe that one. Now you need to repeat it and answer this security question or tap on it and pick one of those. When you're ready, choose done at the top right corner and finally click on the padlock next to an app that you wish to lock. In my case, gallery. So now when I tap on it, as you can see, now it's green. That means that this app is locked. If you wish to check it out for sure, just click on it. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!